Dopamine is not as bad as people made it out to be. Dopamine is freaking everywhere. Whether I am doing workout or playing video games, dopamine is everywhere. And people say, oh, I need a dopamine detox because my dopamine receptors are pretty cooked. And what they do is just go on a 1 day of dopamine detox and just think, oh, my dopamine cooked receptors are just healed. What they don't realize is that dopamine is one of the most important chemical in our brain that motivate us to do anything we want. Many years ago, scientists did a research on dopamine. What they did is they choose a rat and block all his dopamine receptors artificially and place food in front of him. That rat actually died by starving rather than eating the food and stay alive because he didn't have any motivation to move and to eat, because he didn't have any kind of dopamine in his body to motivate him to do the action he get pleasure of. And most people also think that dopamine is just universal, like playing video games affect everyone, whether they like video games or hate video games. They affect everyone's dopamine receptors in same way. But that's not the case. Let me give you an example. There is a person A who likes video game and there is person B who hates video game. If we force both of them to play video games, person A get high level of dopamine surge than person B, because person B didn't feel any kind of happiness playing that game because he don't like playing video games. What I am about to say is pretty insane, so listen closely. It depends solely on you that how much a thing that you are doing affect your dopamine level based on your preference. If you like playing video games or watching reels, then sure, you get high level of dopamine surges. If you don't like playing video games or Instagram reels, you will not going to get any kind of dopamine rush because you are not happy doing that. Dopamine is a feel-good hormone. If you are someone who wants to quit watching Instagram reels or playing video games, you should focus more on changing your preference instead of dopamine, because preference comes first, then dopamine. If you believe that one thing gives you most happiness, whether it's bad or good, it will give you more dopamine and it will cook your dopamine receptor. So next time, whenever you go on a dopamine detox, keep these things in mind. First, go for a dopamine detox week rather than a day, because you can't freaking do anything in a day. Like, it won't going to fix anything. Second, stay away from your digital devices as much as possible. You can read books, you can do workouts, but stay away from your phone or your laptop. And third, while being on dopamine detox, whenever you get urged to watch reels or play video games, you just take a step back and think, is this I really want? And if yes, why I want it? Then challenge it. That's how you fix any kind of addiction, because preference comes first, then comes dopamine. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. See you later.